Hello, my name is NABIL bin TARMIZEE. My matrix number is 24DTP21F1025. I will be presenting an oral presentation for DUE 10012, which is English Communicative. The topic that I choose is bullying. Bullying refers to actions such as hurts, persecutes, or intimidates weaker people. Bullying happens pretty much anywhere, but usually it occurs in educational centers. For example, primary school, secondary school, etc. Bullying can even happen in a workplace. Bullying is an issue that can happen everywhere, not necessarily at a specific area or location based on its history or any other factors. Bullying is not good to both the victim and the bully. Bullying can also exacerbate some situations. This makes the issue more difficult to be resolved. Bullying is harmful to both the victim and the bully. It is very clear that the victim will suffer the most when it comes to bullying. For example, the victim may develop an inferiority complex. This can have a huge impact on the victim. If left unattended, it can lead to mental health problems, such as anxiety and depression. Living with a low self-esteem complex means you are constantly experiencing feelings of inadequacy. Apart from that, the victim may also have wounds and bruises on the body as a result of the blow from the bully. This is more likely to happen when the bully is part of a gang or something similar. Other than that, bullying can be harmful to the bully as well, because those who try to hurt others mentally or physically will not be flattered. In fact, they will be hated. The bully's family will also be affected by the bully's actions, especially the mother and the father. For example, they will feel ashamed of having children who fail to respect others and are known to have bad attitudes and behaviors. If the bully does not change, who knows if he will get worse or do even worse things in the future. It is the responsibility of the parents to keep this from happening, for the benefit of those being bullied and also for the future of their children. Secondly, bullying causes increased feelings of sadness and loneliness. Loneliness can cause mental health problems such as anxiety, emotional distress, addictions, or depression. Loneliness can also increase the risk of suicidal deaths. Chronic loneliness can result in difficulty falling asleep or interrupted sleep. Taking into account such adverse effects, it can be concluded that the victim of bullying will be unable to live their life in a way they usually do. Parents, siblings, and friends plays an important role to ensure the victim is not gloomy by keeping them company and make them happy. Supports from people are needed when one feels sad or gloomy. With this, the victim just might be able to overcome their problem and stand up for themselves against the bully. Subsequently, the victim's poor mental health will deteriorate further. Victims may already be mentally exhausted or miserable with their precarious lives. The issues that lead to this are, for example, family problems, learning difficulties, financial problems, and many more. If the victim does not seek help or is not assisted, the bullying problems the victim faces will add to one of the contributions to suicide rates. And of course, that's not good. The values that we can learn from this topic is: first, happiness. We must not hurt others if we do not want to get hurt either. Only then can we be happy. Reflection. We must always give a thought about our action, because humans are defined by what they do. Forbearance. We must be patient even if we are treated badly, because good things will happen eventually, especially to those who persist on being kind. As a conclusion, bullying is very harmful and there are many ways to prevent it. Parents and teachers should always be sensitive about these issues and take actions deemed necessary. By doing so, further harm can be avoided. If everything just happens to work out fine, then suicide and many problems that happens because of the bullying can be prevented. And that's all from me. Thank you.